crafty friends, it's Caroline, and I am back today with some very unexpected and really sweet happy mail that I received in the mail today. This is from my friend Christy, and she has made these card kits that she has available for purchase. And she's just sent one to me, you guys, and I'm so excited to make this. So this is going to be my Sat Morn Makes. I did not know what I was going to do today. I knew that I wanted to do a Saturday morning makes today because it has been weeks, y'all. It's been weeks since I had the time to do anything for Sat Morn Makes. And if you don't know what Saturday Morning Makes is, it is an open collab that is hosted by the amazing and wonderful and talented and beautiful Jill Norwood over at Jillian Norwood Designs. And it is a forum for artists and paper crafters and just all sorts of creators to share what they're making every Saturday morning using the hashtag #SatMornMakes. So I didn't know what I was going to do. In fact, y'all, if I really, let's have some true confession time. Okay. let's have some true confessions here. So every single one of my contributions for Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween that our group is posting on Mondays, I hadn't started until the Saturday before. And this week is no exception. So I will be just as surprised as you come Monday morning when my post airs on my YouTube channel, because I still don't know what I'm going to do. And I guess I'm somehow motivated by that. I don't know, that sort of urgency or something. I don't know. Maybe it's an ADD thing. Who knows? Anyway, I have completely gone down a rabbit hole here. I digress. Let's get back to this. So my friend Christy sent me her August card kit, and I'm so excited about this. The wonderful thing about how she has done this is she has a little pictorial tutorial with instructions and everything for each one of the cards. But look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, Christy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And there's a sweet little note in here that will probably make me cry, so I'm going to wait to read that. Oh, look at this tag, you guys. She's got the definition of dream, happy, and together. Oh, this is so, so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna have to read this off camera. In the kit, she's got some inserts, she's got some card bases, and each one of the envelopes corresponds to some directions inside on how to put them together, but they're all pre-cut, y'all. So you just take the pre-cut pieces out of each individual envelope, you find the corresponding card with the directions, and you lay it out. And listen, y'all know that I do tutorials and I do full cutting guides, and I geek out about that kind of stuff. I'm the type of person who likes to do the math, who likes to solve the puzzle, who likes to do those things. But sometimes I just want some mindless crafting. I just want to make something. I just need to keep my hands busy. I need to feel productive, and usually it's to keep my mind off of overthinking. And if I keep my hands busy, then I'm not going down some thought process that maybe isn't serving me well. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to put together these cards in Christy's card kit for you today for Sat Morn Makes. I'm going to do a little process video, and then we'll show the final results at the end. Thank you so much, Christy. This is really fun. Oh, and I'm going to have a link to her channel and all of her contact information and everything in the description notes below. Please go visit her. Please subscribe and like her channel, and click the bell notifications. She's an amazing, wonderful person, but she's also a truly talented crafter, and you will get a lot out of her content. So go show her some love, please. I really adore her and value her friendship greatly. So let's go ahead and make these cards. This is perfect, Christy. I needed this today. Let's get started.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. heart. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Okay, y'all, look at these beautiful cards. Oh my goodness. Christy's kit was, first of all, super easy to follow the instructions. Second of all, I feel like the cards are way more impressive looking than the effort that I put into them. So that's awesome. And thirdly, I'm just really grateful that she sent these to me because I now have 8 beautiful handmade cards for any occasion, and I just love them. How pretty are these? Now, I did want to point out the stamps that I used for the sentiments were the Stampendous stamp called True Friends. It's SSC 1422 if you were interested in those. I think they really came out great. So Christy, thank you so much. This was just what I needed on this Saturday where I wasn't feeling very motivated or creative, and this was just the little jump start that I needed to get my creative juices flowing. And also, I'm just really grateful for you and your friendship. Thank you so very much, sweet friend. I'm really blessed. I'm blessed, and thank you so very much. Please click on the links below so that you can find Christy's information. Follow her on Facebook, subscribe to her YouTube channel, make sure you're clicking that bell notification. She's not only an amazing and wonderful human being, she's a really talented crafter too, so I think you'll get a lot out of that. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I hope you're being kind to yourselves, and I hope you're finding joy in your journey. Thanks so much, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.